Hey guys, today we're unboxing a Motorola phone. Why is it upside down? Android 9 Pie?
This was a Christmas gift.
Yes.
So, among other
From
things.
my dad. How do we open it? And I never had opened the phone before. How do you open it? Oh. Download the free Walmart app. Yay. So apparently he got this at Walmart. Oh my.
Actually, he did not.
No, it doesn't say download the Walmart app. Here's the Motorola battery.
Walmart sells those.
All these things.
Oh.
A case? It came with a case. No. No.
Okay, so what all is in there? It's big.
I know.
It's what kind? Motorola. What model number?
Moto 6. Moto E6. I don't know.
A Moto E6. That's it.
So, battery.
4G LTE.
Yay.
And the back side?
Yeah. I thought this was the case. Well, it's just the back.
Yeah, I don't think it come with a case.
No.
Snap it on.
Let's power it up.
Out of the box. Charged.
Ish. Probably not fully. Oh, I feel like that's information they don't need to know.
Alright. Awesome. Okay, so that's the
Motorola.
contents. Right. So what's in this bag right here?
Just the charger. Oh, hider.
Part of the
Boop. Connect to Wi-Fi.
So are we doing a demo too or an unboxing?
I will have to enter the password.
But if we could show them what's in that bag, then
This bag?
yeah.
It's the charger.
Well, you can unbox it? I can't see. What if you wanted to charge it? Maybe
It has half battery.
has full battery?
Half battery.
Yeah. Then you would want to probably charge it at some point here. So it has USB. Oh, a little.
And it's shrink wrapped on there or something.
Alright. So you have your USB here, instructions, of course your phone, and your other part to your charger. Right.
Please like and subscribe.